The Department of Agrarian Reform, or DAR, has so far distributed around 42,000 land titles to farmer beneficiaries this year. This brings up the number of titles distributed under the Marcos administration to 137,000. For farmers, land ownership is crucial to eking out a living or earning a profit, and over and above better than working under a lease term agreement in which the lessee or farmer usually only gets 10% of the earnings.
May ilang-ilang mga farmers noon na masaya na sila sa ganung klaseng arrangement, pero karamihan, mga 90% ay nag-a-class sapagkat hindi tama ang hatian, no? Silang nagpapakahirap, silang nagbibilad sa araw, nagsasakripisyo ng gusto, pagkatapos ang nakikinabang, yun lang landowner. Ang karamihan pa ay absentee landowner. Ang gustong gawin natin ay ang mga magsasaka, ang mga tenant ay magkaroon ng kanya-kanyang sariling lupa nila.